na naman pumapasok sa isip ko. Mukhang babagsak ako ah.
Naku, yun ka na naman, tapos mamaya ikaw na naman yung highest.
True. Ano nga ulit yung virtual enterprise? O diba, there are several definitions, but the concept of virtual enterprise represent a new paradigm in contemporary business. May mga companies na nag-enter sa virtual enterprise para makasabay sa mga bilis na pagbabago ng business environment. For that purpose, kailangan nila improve yung kanilang technological para sa kanilang information structure.
And ayon sa Wikipedia, ang virtual enterprise is temporary alliance ng mga businesses that collaborate through computer networks to share skills, resources, competency para ma-improve yung kanilang response sa business opportunities.
Tsaka di ba yung virtual enterprise is a temporary business organization set up with trading partners operating from geographically dispersed site. Tsaka ito pa, it is enabled by ICT.
Yun ba yung babagsak?
Ewan ko sa inyo, tama ng review, malilit na tayo, tara na.
Manifesting high grades! Tara lang, handog, pero mga
Ano nga ulit yung pre? Yung difference between virtual organization at virtual enterprise? Yung virtual enterprise is group of organization that is interconnected by computer network and usually hindi siya goal-oriented and walang share ng skills and resources na nangyayari. Yun yung kaibahan niya sa goal organization which is goal-oriented sila.
Ay, mukhang maglalaban na naman ang dalawa sa klase, si Abby at si Matthew.
Yun, dating love team. Dami niyong alam, nagre-review lang yung tao. Try, exam lang.
Something in your eyes, tell me who I am. Something in my heart, whenever you're near. Something in your eyes, tell me who I am. Something in my heart.
Oh, you're my type! Chinita, tall, dark, and handsome!
Sorry, you're not my type.
Why? Am I not enough? May kulang ba sa akin? May mali ba sa akin? Pangit ba ako? Kapalit-palit ba ako? Why?
Kahit ano pa yung sabihin nyo, I don't like you.
Grabe, harap-harapan naman. Don't you have ethics? Buti pa ang technology, may ethics.
Stop na natin to, let's take our exam. Tara!
Pwede ka bang maging ayos sa ibabaw na tayo?
Oh, sorry, you're not my type anymore.